The proliferation of nuclear weapons represents a significant threat to life on this planet and our country. A nuclear exchange between the U.S. and Russia, still a possibility long after the end of the Cold War, could end human life on our planet. It's everyone's nightmare to have a terrorist armed with nuclear weapons. In order to address this threat, our nation and other countries around the world have made significant efforts to end nuclear proliferation as a serious threat through a number of treaties. These treaties bring the rule of law to what would otherwise be a lawless and dangerous situation. Assuring compliance with obligations states have agreed in these treaties is highly important to the legal profession and our role. Doing so promotes the rule of law, and I don't have to remind this body that promoting the rule of law is one of our fundamental goals as an association. I rise today with regard to a resolution concerning the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty, and this is a legal issue based on compliance with an obligation under an existing treaty, the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. The extension of the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty 15 years ago lifts adoption of a Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty as the first measure to be undertaken to carry out the purposes of the Non-Proliferation Treaty. And the Non-Proliferation Treaty is an existing treaty ratified under the U.S. As lawyers, we know that treaties are like any other contract, and as a result, there's a requirement to act in good faith to do what one has obligated oneself to do. In this situation, there is a Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty that's been ratified by 150 countries and is awaiting ratification in the United States. We respectfully submit that not ratifying the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty now would not be good faith compliance with our obligation under the Non-Proliferation Treaty. Treaties are important to us, not just in the national security area, but in commercial, in dispute resolution. We do not want to be known as a country that doesn't fulfill its treaty commitments. In closing, we ask the House to adopt 107A so that the ABA President can testify and the Government Affairs Office can make our views known on the legal issue that an existing treaty, the Non-Proliferation Treaty, obligates the United States to ratify a pending treaty, the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. This is a perspective that would be useful for the legal profession to provide. We urge the adoption of 107A. Thank you.